Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your World app account, whether you lost access or switched to a new phone. I got you covered. Alright, so let's jump right in. First, you want to open the World app on your device, and when it loads, you'll see the terms and conditions. Just go ahead and tap agree and tap the login button. Now, you'll be asked how you want to sign in. If you're on Android phone, just choose sign in with Google. But if you're on iPhone, just pick the sign in option that matches how you created your account. Now, here's the most important step. Your backup is linked to the same Google account you originally used to sign up. So you want to make sure to choose the exact email, that exact email. And once you do, the World app will automatically search for your saved backup. If a backup is found, just tap on it and your account will be restored instantly, including your wallet and data. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your World app account. Just remember, it only works if you log in with the same Google account you used before. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!